Today I'm going to show you why it's so important that you trellis your blackberries. See, blackberries, after they get established, as they come out of the ground, they actually will tend to grow straight up. But not all varieties do that. As your blackberries start growing, they start leaning over a little bit, and that's when you attach them to your trellis system. And we always tie them to it, and I'll show you that next. And right here you can see we attached this cane to this trellis system, and I'll show you why now. We had a lot of wind this past week, and a lot of our blackberries did fine. However, some of the bushes took a hit. Here's one right here. Now I want to show you why it's so important, again, that you trellis these things. Think about corn stalks. Have you ever heard the saying where the corn stalks got laid over because of a lot of wind? Well, this is the same exact example. Now I'm just hoping that this blackberry bush makes it. Now what I would do is move this blackberry bush around for you to see how loose it is. But I don't want to cause any more damage because I'm hoping it will be perfectly fine. However, there are times they will die. Now you can already see this thing is limp at the top, and that's because it's lost some of its stability in the ground from being laid over. Now if it gets perfectly fine, it'll pick itself back up and get strong at the top again. But as you can see, it's showing it's damaged. So if you're not wanting your hard work to go to waste, make sure you start trellising these things early. Get them in a straight line and everything else, and make sure you attach them to the trellis system whenever you can, so if a windstorm or anything like that comes by, nothing like this happens to your blackberries. So trellising your blackberries will keep them from laying over like their corn stalks. Now it may not keep all of your blackberry bushes up, but it's better than none. Do yourself a favor and make sure you trellis your blackberry bushes. It ain't just for support for your berries, it's also to support those canes in case something major happens in your area. And as always, if I've helped you in any way, make sure you click that like and subscribe button.